seeing my face for the first time, welcome to the channel. And if you,
it was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
wait a damn Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you are watching this video. So it's a beautiful afternoon here and I am going to try something new. Today I'm going to get my hair done. I don't know what hair to get, but I want to get the Ghana braids or whatsoever. For those of you that have been following this channel for long now, you will know that when I was in Lagos, Nigeria, I went to make my hair. I asked for Ghana braid and they gave me some crazy hair that I don't know. So I want to make Ghana braid in Ghana to see if they will give me Nigerian braid. I'll be going to a Ghanaian shop to get it from a typical an origin of this country and all of those things. So I am already up. This is my outfit for the day. I'll make you guys see it and let's go get this done. Yanko, why? Well, it is true, I told you all I'm coming to make Ghana braid. However, after calculating how long I'm gonna sit doing Ghana braid, I had to change the style into a simpler style that I can stand up so far because I had other things to do with my time. And guys, I forgot to also mention that this beauty studio is owned by my very own boss lady Joyce at Wash and Trim. She is the CEO and I must commend her effort. I mean, this girl is doing well, not just her. Whenever I see my friends that are doing well, I try as much to support them and I try as much as to commend their efforts. So this was me just sitting down waiting for the hairdresser to get started. The second I saw you, guys, the pampering was just too much and I felt like a baby. Well, the hair was giving me all the vibe it should give and I had to feel myself a little bit whilst trying to catch up other things. Well guys, if you're in Accra, Do well to stop by Wash and Trim. They offer the best services for your hair, nails, pedicure, manicure, what have you. They've got you covered. I'll leave the handle on the screen and also their number in the description box so you can reach out to them whenever you want. Well, after my activities for the day, I got back home and I decided to cook this Ghanaian local dish. I don't even know what the name is. I was trying to make ampisi, but I ended up making something different. Like, I went the local way.
The next day.
Well, it was another beautiful day and I was invited by my girl Miss Universe for a dinner date with her girls and her friends, and I was so honored to be part of the people who got invited. Guys, it was a lot of food for us to eat, and whenever I see food like this I get so anxious and I can't eat because of excitement. But it was a fun night though. So I was out the other day, so I and a friend discovered a restaurant called Oliver Twist. Guys, I fell in love with this place because of the ambience, the calmness, the sweet melodious song. And guys, I fell in love with the jollof. This is one of the best jollof I've had in Ghana. I mean, this jollof was top notch. I mean, it was really worth the price though. Though it was quite pricey, but then I enjoyed every bit of it. However, my friend refused to show his face. He was like, I don't want to come on camera. I know there's some people that don't just want to come on camera. Because of that, I just respect their privacy. But however, the food were amazing. And guys, if you can check well, you get to see a tripod in this vehicle. I forgot my tripod in this vehicle. And ever since the driver's phone has been switched off, I've been unable to get in contact with him, and I feel so bad because I haven't really enjoyed that tripod. However, on this particular day, I was kind of down, my spirit was low. A friend of mine got to know about it and it was like, oh Blue, you are a very happy person and how come you are down? This is not my Blue. Let's go out. At first I didn't want to go out because I didn't just want to talk to anybody, but then I told myself the more I sit at home, the more I get more low in spirits, not depressed but low in spirit and all of that. But after going out, I got to realize that I started getting myself back and I felt good and much better, and thanking God for good friends in my life. Well guys, if you made it to this part of the video, I must say you are my real VVIP and I love you so much. If at this point you've not already subscribed, please smash the red button to subscribe and also turn on notification bell so whenever I upload a video, you'll be the first to get notified. guys, until next time, stay safe. Remember, Jesus loves you. See you on my next video.